In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search cash flow data in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pinpoint invoices, bills, and other cash flow entries using the built-in search tool, so you can move faster and make decisions with confidence. First, log into your Xero account. Use a web browser you're comfortable with, and make sure you have access to the organization whose cash flow you want to review. Once you're in, look for the main navigation menu and click Reporting. This is your central hub for all kinds of financial insights, and it's where the cash flow tools live. From the reporting area, open Short-Term Cash Flow Projection. This view gives you a forward look at money expected to come in and go out, helping you see whether you're on track to stay cash positive. It's especially helpful when you need a quick answer about upcoming invoices or bills without digging through multiple pages. Now, locate the search bar near the top of the page. It's designed to filter what you see on the screen, so you can home in on just the items you care about. Click the search field to activate it. You'll know it's ready when you see the cursor blinking inside the box. Type a keyword, an invoice reference, or a bill name. Keep it simple. Use a client name, a supplier name, or a recognizable part of the invoice or bill title. If you remember an invoice number or part of it, that can work too. As you type, give the system a moment. You don't need to press enter, just wait for the cash flow results to filter automatically. You'll see the list update right on the page as Xero matches your keyword to relevant entries. Once the results appear, view the matching cash flow entries. Scan the descriptions, due dates, and amounts to confirm you've found the right items. If you need to broaden your view again, simply clear the text in the search field to return to the full list. If your first term doesn't surface what you expect, try a slightly different keyword or a shorter fragment of the name to catch variations in how the item was entered. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly find invoices, bills, and cash flow entries using the search tool in Xero. This simple workflow keeps you focused on the numbers that matter exactly when you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.